Yes, Mrs. Lakshmi, we can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming today.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. As you all know, I'm diabetic, and I've been with this program from May onwards, and really appreciable changes I could find. And because of my coach and because of all these Nutri Club meetings, all these things I was able to do a lot of good changes in my even the diet, everything. So that is, I'm Lakshmi.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Lakshmi. So, little background. The reason why we have Mrs. Lakshmi here is we have initiated and launched such support groups in Truweight to learn from each other, get inspired from each other. So, she's part
Yeah.
of the diabetes Nutri Club, and she's one lady who will keep on sharing a lot of tips and tricks to all of us. Share her story. She's like a mentor to all of us.
Oh,
She
no, no,
ensures
no.
that the group is very active, not only in the support group, the call, but also we have a very small WhatsApp group, and she engages a lot with all of us. So, how do you like
Thank you.
your Nutri Club support group, diabetes one? Little, can if you can share. Do you look forward to these meetings?
Yeah.
Do you
Uh,
enjoy?
yes. This Nutri Club diabetic group is very good and very informative, and more interactivities. Actually, we can share a lot of things, and whatever we know, we can share, and we can understand the many other things because we come from various regions. So we can understand so many, like maybe the recipes, maybe our and attitude also matter a lot in this diabetic profile part. So all these do a lot and lot of things. They add up in our this thing, and especially when I joined, it was my HbA1c was like 7.8. It was, and now it is 5.4. So really, thanks to Truweight and the continuous support and the encouragement I got from all of you, and also from my coach Saujanya. And really, a lot of changes I could find because of this, mainly because of this Nutri Club meetings also, because we are able to chat, we are able to interact, and we are able to find out so many, like the varieties and what are the problems, everything we are able to share, and really it's good. That is the thing.
Thank you so much. So, you look forward to attending our weekly
Ye-
sessions.
yes,
You
yes,
enjoy a lot, is it?
yes, yes,
That's so lovely to hear from you. Thank you so much, Mrs. Lakshmi, for sharing
yes.
this thing to all of us.
Thank you.
Vasvi,